y'all, good morning. Y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you have read by that title, it's gonna be like a little small mini vlog. Currently, I am waiting on Jabari's bus to arrive. Julian's already headed to school, so right now his bus coming like around 8-ish. Yeah, around 8-ish or whatever. So I got plenty of time to like do little things around the house. I'm gonna fix like a little breakfast smoothie. Fix Jonah something to eat. Jabari, he's not really a morning eater unless he's like super duper hungry. But today he's not really as hungry like talking about. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna come back on camera. Say good morning. Good morning, Jabari. You cold. Yeah, it is pretty cold right now. I'm gonna get a blanket. Go get the tiger cover then. Y'all, it is such a pretty day outside. Huh? Okay, you can get that covered in. Jonah. Say good morning. Good morning. So, y'all, I'm fixing Jonah some strawberry and blueberry oatmeal with almond milk. So I'm gonna let him eat on that. Well, I might need to put it in the freezer so it can cool down for him before he eat that. And I said I was gonna make me a little smoothie. I don't know if I'm gonna make that or not, cause I'm gonna fix me some peachy cream oatmeal. So we gonna see how that goes. We are currently on the way to the bus stop. I hope I'm not walking down here too early. So today, y'all, I'm going to hold my hand. Come on, take a butt. So today I am going to do some little stretches, some little exercises to start. I'm trying to be more healthier than I am. And hopefully, things go consistently. Oh, y'all, I hope I ain't walking out here too early. Because I think that bus comes like around 8:20. And it's just not 8 o'clock. Oh, that sun right there. I'm just come back when his bus get here. Y'all, tell me why when Jabari's bus came, I did not pull out my phone to record. I don't know what my mind was. I don't know. Anywho, I fixed me some peach oatmeal for my little breakfast, and I got some lemon, what is it? Sweet tea. So that's gonna be my breakfast. And y'all, we got us a new cat. We got Penny and we got Angel. And she's so playful and sweet. But Penny, baby, she ain't going. She said, this her territory, you new here. I ain't finna let that ride. She just been meowing and Bar call it barking. Whatever that noise is, that Cassie making. She was doing that all yesterday and this morning. So yeah, y'all. I'm gonna eat this breakfast, make up the beds, and then I'm gonna start doing the little stretches and stuff. That oatmeal buzz right now. And then I ain't had oatmeal in so long. Oh my God. It's so good. I can't wait to get my hair together. This wig, bro. Oh my God. I know my hair look a mess. This wig, I installed it Friday, Saturday night, Saturday evening. I installed it, bro. I don't know if it's because my hair, scalp, skin been sensitive ever since I had my boys or what, but like when I did it, it started to irritate my head. And it was itching so bad. I noticed like when my hair, my scalp get the itches too bad, I think my hair was gonna fall out. I don't know why it been like that ever since I had them. I guess what they call it, the women be having, the estrogen that women be having. I don't know if it's because of that or just the hormones, my hormones going up and down or what, but I can't keep doing that. I need my edges and stuff, baby. So when I get my hair did, I guess I got to, I don't know, put something on it before I like put the glue and stuff on there. I don't know. I got to figure that out. I don't know. So yeah, y'all. I'm gonna come back again when I start doing my stretches. Hey, big boy. How school was?
It was good, Bob. What's my foot?
I know. How school was? It was good. What you got? Let me see the paper. Yeah, I had to come back home because is it just me? Or it's like when kids get out of school, they be extra hungry. Like, what these folks be? Oh, shoot my boy. Oh, what these folks, this school system be feeding these kids? Cause it ain't it, baby. My boys, they be like, I'm hungry. Mama want this, mama want that. Like, they be want a plate full of food, but you know, I got to space they stuff out. Cause they gotta eat tonight, and I don't want them to get too full. Don't eat too much, you know. But they boys, they be like that. Eat up the whole dang on house. Now he wanna be on the camera, y'all. Tell him hey.
Hey.
Talk to him.
Hey.
You just want to say hey.
No, you said that's me, Jabari.
Well, you tell him who you is.
I'm Julie.
Yeah, Julie.
Ma,
What's your name?
Barry.
Yeah, Barry. Say, my name is Jonah. Say, my name is Jonah. Just say Jonah. Say Jonah. Y'all, these my babies.
Mama.
My babies. This is how we gonna end the video.
Okay.
Say bye.